Hey Taylor, I was wondering if you wanted to have a sleepover today.
Sure, I'll be right over.
This is going to be the best sleepover ever. She's here. Yeah, yes, oh yeah, yeah, yes, oh yeah, yeah, yes, oh yeah, yeah, yes, oh yeah.
In here.
Oh, let's start the movies. You go chose the movie.
Any movie?
Yep.
Okay. Got one.
Okay, put it in and let's watch it.
It's a horror movie.
What, you know?
You said any movie.
You're right, I have to face my fear someday.
Shut up, the movie is starting.
This is so scary, no joke. I'm scared.